Hey guys, welcome to this quick tutorial where we'll explain how you can invoicing a job in QuickBooks. So let's get started. First, log in to QuickBooks Online. On the left-hand menu, click on the New button and then select Invoice. Now, choose the customer you want to invoice. If the customer is not already saved, you can add them by selecting Add New. Next, fill in the invoice details. Enter the invoice date and due date. In the product or service field, select the job or service you provided. Add a description, the quantity, and the rate. QuickBooks will automatically calculate the total for you. If the job includes multiple items or tasks, you can add each one on a separate line. You can also apply sales tax if required. At the bottom, you'll see the invoice total. You can also add a message for your customer, such as payment instructions or a thank you note. When you're ready, click Save and send to email the invoice directly to your customer. Or if you just want to record it, click Save and Close. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, consider giving it a like and subscribe.